Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation through settings on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, be aware that this operation will erase all data from your smartphone and will return your device to the factory default. So if you have some important data on your device, then either back it up using cloud services or on the external SD card or on your computer, and after that you're gonna have to open settings on your device, scroll down to system settings, system and update, then in system and update go to backup and reset. Here select reset phone, then erase all data, and then enter your lock screen password or use a fingerprint scanner or a face recognition tap clear to confirm, and then your phone will restart and the factory reset operation will take several minutes, and it will be finished once you see the setup screen on your smartphone. So right now let's wait until the factory reset operation is finished. And after your phone is restarted, the factory reset operation is finished, and at this point that's the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.